restaurant grade slab chips that'll make you never want to order them again, because the ones you make at home are too good. Real thick. What makes these ones interesting and what makes them the best is that I put them in cold oil. What the what? This ensures that the oil heats up slowly and these potatoes get a chance to cook from the inside out, giving them a nice crunchy exterior and a creamy, buttery interior. And this is the part where we're like the most tempted to pick something up and try and mix them around. Don't do it, because they're softening up, and if you mix them around, you're gonna disturb them, you're gonna break them, and then you're just gonna have like fried mashed potatoes. How beautiful are those? First season, don't be so shocked while they're still hot. And don't be afraid, you know? The whole point is for them to not really be like super crispy, soft to the bite. Oop. These are the bomb. The yellow ones, the Apache potatoes, they rock as chips completely.